7-star bricks. Hey, this meaningless pile of parts. Here and here and here is my latest Weebricks order. And we are going to build a Star Wars Rogue One Death Trooper helmet. Awesome. So we got the plans pulled up. We got the bricks all set out here. Got something to look at while we're doing it. Let's build this thing. Alright, for some reason, step 27, I'm supposed to have 4 of these parts. I only had 3. I'm going to try to replace it with some spare Legos from my collection. I couldn't even find this part in my spare knockoff bricks. And I wanted to mention too, I ordered all the parts except for what's in this baggie because Weebricks did not have these. And one of these is a pretty specialized Lego part. It only appears in like 1 or 2 sets. This one with a red stripe on the front. So that had to come from Weebrick, but everything else, or that had to come from Bricklink. Everything else comes from Weebrick. Back to the build. And just kidding. It's going to be a while from when I started this video to when I finished this video because I was missing a lot of parts. Missing all 10 of one of the parts that I ordered, which means I can't finish the stand. And then I'm missing like 1 out of like a dozen or more different parts. So I'm going to have to wait for Weebrick to send me the replacements before I can finish this. So there's going to be a delay from May 19th until probably like July when I get the replacement parts. We'll see. We'll see. I'm an affiliate too, by the way. So if you want to buy some Weebricks, use the link down below. And to be fair, this is the second set of MOCs I've ordered from them, and this is the only one that's been missing parts so far. So everybody makes mistakes. Hopefully they're good at rectifying them. Alright, Weebrick set my missing pieces, so let's try and finish this Death Trooper helmet. And that is the Death Trooper from Star Wars Rogue One, a Star Wars story. Check that thing out. That is pretty cool. I get some light on it here. It's completely black, and it like sucks up all the light in here. So obviously this isn't an official set. I don't have the Star Wars Death Trooper sticker here. I want to print one of those or have one printed for me to put on here at some point. This is cool. You've got the little laser rangefinder thingy or whatever their sensor is on there. Got the green goggles and the little green ports on the bottom. That's pretty cool. So what do you think compared to the official pictures of the props from the movie? To that, that's pretty cool. Although, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Because I'm staring right at this and staring right at this, this I think needs a little work here. No offense to the person who did the build plans for this, but I think if we did this, put this ingot piece on the bottom and broke the whole thing off. There we go. If we put the ingot piece on the bottom there, you don't need any more pieces, but look at that. As you see, you've got a flat piece here at the end of those vents, and then some more different kind of vents underneath it, and some more flat. So I think that just looks a little more accurate like that. I mean, you can only be so accurate, it's Lego, but it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool set. I'm going to link the plans where you can buy the plans below. I bought these online. And then if you want to build this, I'll leave an affiliate link for WeBrick. And if you buy your bricks through WeBrick through my link, you'll help the channel out. Yay! That is super cool. I really like this build. It's very similar to the official helmet builds. It's just something that they probably are not going to make in the official line. And I wanted a Death Trooper helmet because they were cool. And you can tell I like Stormtroopers and their variants. Alright guys, that is it for now. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks for the likes and subscribes. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. Leave a comment down below. We'll see you here next time. Check that out. Fits right up there in my helmet collection. So we get all the official ones. We get the Dark Trooper, the TIE Pilot, the Stormtrooper. We got the MOC of the Death Trooper. We got the Scout Trooper, Darth Vader, Boba Fett, Din Djarin, and the Red 5 helmet for Luke Skywalker. I like these helmet sets a lot. Awesome.